Seamless replacement. This headlight assembly was specifically designed to look and function like the original headlight on specific vehicles. Excellent value, original equipment quality at a lower price. Durable materials, rigid plastic protects against weather and road conditions. Easy installation, built to match the exact original dimensions for proper fit. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Need a new headlight assembly that looks, fits and performs like the original, for less than going back to the dealership? This replacement headlight was reverse engineered to match the stock headlight on specific vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfect, installed easily. Bought this to replace a broken lens. Was identical to the one being replaced.